What are we doing today, old man?
Well, I have just the right amount of beers in me to tackle this. You want to do some wiring today?
Yep.
Alright, let's do it. Here, I'll trade you.
Let's go, Sisson.
Let's do it. You know where all that goes?
No.
So I had to buy this. This is the one piece that did not come with the kit. Frustrating. Expensive as it is, it should have came with this, but these are the coils. There's one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 on the other side, okay?
Yeah.
Let's throw it on. Go ahead, push it. Clip. 1, 3, 5, 7. Find the one that says 3.
3.
3. 3. 5. That looks like shit. Alright. Those could have been longer. These could have been shorter. That looks like garbage. Yep, 2. So I got a 2 on it.
2, 7.
Flip it around. Flip it around.
Oh, the nose is on this side.
Yeah, they changed it on us.
Ah.
Nice. 2, look for 4. 6. Now we got to stretch the darn thing because they're not long enough.
8.
I gotta try to see if I can find the factory ones we ripped off here. That's just dumb looking. These are too short and these are too long. Come on, FiTech. Should have come up with something better for us. I had to buy this Amazon shit. Junk. Amazon stuff doesn't work. I mean, it'll work, but it looks like crap. All right, now fuel injector harness. Do that next. Yeah, push it. That clip in there?
Yeah,
Oh,
I heard it.
maybe we should have done this first. Now you go right down the row. There's 4 of them on each side. Good. There you go. Okay, see that harness came from FiTech. It's a little bit nicer. But this one here sucks. Alright, so we got the coils and the fuel rails. Good?
Yep. So we got the O2 sensor. And that goes in here.
And a brand new stainless steel exhaust. Your dad welded. I don't know if I'm ready to show my welds on YouTube. I think I'd rather be naked.
That's a weird thing to say, old man. How many White Claws do you have to drink?
White Claws? I don't drink any White Claws. I drink Bud Heavies.
Don't lie to me. I still drink a whole pack.
Don't tell anybody. Stuff's hard to get to. Click.
Click, click, click.
Click, click, click. Alternator. Cool. Cool, man. Everything fits. Fuck's this one? CTS. Oh, come on. I gotta do some fishing. This one's gotta go down here. There we go. Well, that all was nice. Ready, man?
Yeah?
There's a couple we can hook up in the back. You want to clip a few together?
Yep.
All right, what do you got there? Cam sensor?
Yep, cam sensor.
Cam
So the
sensor.
purple dude.
Yeah, it goes in the back.
In here. Yeah.
Push hard, muscles.
Yeah.
Got it? And then that's for the oil pressure sending unit, but we don't have one of those right now. Why don't you hook that up? That's your injector
Oh,
pack.
this goes right here?
Yeah.
Shoot, I unhooked it.
Click, click. All right, what's left? Knock sensors?
Knock sensor.
Knock.
Let go. Like,
Which one's that? O2?
O2.
O2.
We gotta do some bad scientist work.
Yeah, okay, Doc Brown.
Ah,
Oh,
that will
was a
make
good click.
Frankenstein come to life.
Map sensor. Push.
I think it's in.
Get it? Yep.
It just didn't click.
Here you go. That's nice. Here, get the other side. This one don't have a tag on it. I think this one's crank sensor. We should have put this in before we did the starter. Oh, that's not in a good spot, dude. Coils. Injectors. And they're labeled driver and passenger. Injector P. Coil P. Because I'm assuming you can hook them up wrong. Kind of like putting your distributor in 180 off. Ain't gonna work. We're getting there. I got the easy side. There's only 2 over here.
Yeah.
Alright. There's a whole ton of ground wires. We'll put it on the back of the head. That's good. I think we got her, man.
We got power, boys.
Got power. Battery's hooked up. Got power. I want to see if it rolls over. Ready? Oh, we gotta turn on that. That's our key switch. Ready?
Don't push this button.
Yep.
See what happens. Oh,
We just made some noise, guys.
she turned over.
I'm cool.
Now we gotta program this thing. What do you think? Should we stop for today?
Yeah.
Leave everybody on a cliffhanger? So what we can do, we'll program all this and we'll get the fuel pump going and we'll start it next time. What do you think? Ready?
Yeah.
We'll start it.
Yep.
All right, man.
Well, see you next time. Well, I know I don't normally say this, but
Oh, yeah,
since
he
he
just
isn't
off.
here, like, subscribe, and tickle that bell icon for more videos. Nope, he does that way better than I
He
do.
does that way better.
But I do. See you next time, citizen.
See you next time. We're gonna fire this up. Subscribe, don't miss it.